Right, now we're going to show what the welding light looks like from several angles. This is one of them, okay? You ready, Chris?
Yeah.
In your own time.
Yeah, alright. Okay. Oh yeah.
See how bright that was then? And again. What do you do, Chris? You burn yourself.
Yeah.
See folks, that's the danger of doing welding, you get burns sometimes.
Well, there's a hole.
There's a hole. Hold on. I'm just going to show people, don't start, Christopher. That's what he's produced, but accidentally he's burned a hole, the silly person.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
No, you can't help it, no, but... yep. Okay. Whenever you're ready, Christopher?
Yeah, alright.
Currently flying towards him. Zoom is going as it was at first.
Oh, you can see how late that is.